Ay, say, nigga, I don't wanna talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in they mouth. Say, bitch, I don't got a cap. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you want beef, then my bitch gon' scratch. I'ma get the money, so I let her handle that. Woo, free JT.
Hey guys, so this year for Halloween I channeled my inner stallion. Here I'm just showing you the items that I used to create my costume, such as where I purchased the hat, the fabric, and the fringe. This isn't a tutorial, but this is something that you would like me to show you. Go ahead and comment below. Also, this particular set is available for purchase, so just go ahead and follow me on my IG for details if you're interested. It is a size small.
Cut a nigga off and my checks got bigger. Rich bitch shit got a broke hoe bitter. Hotter any bitch, I'm the hardest in the litter. If you think she bad, put her in, let me get her. Y'all praising bitches that's doing the minimum. They put that check in my hand, now I'm killing them. Don't wanna link with these bitches, ain't feeling them.
Alright, so if you would like to connect with me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me at greenwear_designs. Again, it's at greenwear_designs. I would love for you to follow me and I'll follow back, and we can connect there as well. Again, thank you for watching and bye.